Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix the exception breakpoint has been reached error in Windows 11. So let's get started. I have multiple methods for this, and I'm sure that by following them, your problem will be solved. Let's start with the first method. First, click on your Windows icon and open Command Prompt. Once you see it, click on it. Now enter the same command as me. After typing the command, press Enter. Next, type this command, then exit and restart your computer. If this method doesn't work for you, click on the Windows icon again and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. You will see two options here. You can either restart now and check for problems, or check for problems the next time you start your computer. Select Restart Now and check for problems, since it's the recommended option. Once you click on it, your PC will restart, check for problems, and start fixing them. Let's move to another method. Open the Control Panel and tap on Programs. Then tap on Programs and Features. Find the program that is causing the error. The best way to solve this problem is to uninstall that program. To uninstall it, find the program, right-click on it, and select Uninstall or Change. When you click on it, the uninstallation will start. After uninstalling the program, your problem should be fully solved. So these are the methods you can use to fix this problem easily.